Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to post to Instagram from desktop. So if you're looking to post to Instagram from your computer, if you're looking to post to Instagram from a PC, from a laptop, anything other than a mobile device, then this is how you're going to do it. Let's take a look. Alright, to get started, you're going to want to navigate to your Facebook page. So this is my Facebook business page. It's Alex Tucker Digital. You can follow me if you like. And over here on the left, we've got a menu of tools and actions that we can use within the page. And so we're going to come over here and click on Publishing Tools. And this just takes a little bit to load. And then over in the left again, we've got a new menu. And now we're going to click on Creator Studio. And this is actually going to open up what I kind of refer to as the back end of Facebook. It's business.facebook.com/creatorstudio/home. And then from here, we can actually schedule posts on Facebook, or we can schedule posts on a linked Instagram account. So as you can see up here at the top, I'm currently on Facebook. If I click on Instagram, it's going to take me over to my linked Instagram account. And I can actually add more Instagram accounts. So if I didn't have it connected already, if I didn't have my Instagram account already connected, or if I wanted to connect an additional one, I would just click here, and then I would go to Add Instagram Account and say OK. And now it's asking me to log in. I don't have another Instagram account though, so maybe I'll create a new one and show that in a future video. But anyways, that is how you would connect your Instagram account. And if I go to the content library, I can see all of my previous posts here. As you can see, I have a number of recent posts. I just started getting active on Instagram again. And I don't think I have any videos. No, I do have photos. Don't have any carousels. And I've been sharing my photo posts to my stories. So I have some stories. Now, to create a new post, I'm just going to go over here to Create Post on the left. And I can either do Instagram TV post or an Instagram feed post. So I'm going to do a feed post. And that opens up the editor over here on the right. So I'm just going to open up this Google Doc that I have prepared. And I'm going to copy this post that I have prepared here. Oh, you know what? I forgot the hashtags, but I'll just add those in right now. All right, so I'm going to add some more hashtags later because I like to use a hashtag research tool in order to make sure I find ones that are actually going to get me some traffic. So I'm just going to come down here and copy all this. Control C. Come back to the Creator Studio. And so I just post my caption right in here. And it'll actually tell me how many characters I have remaining and how many hashtags I have remaining. So I can use another 26 hashtags, and I can use another almost 1,000 characters if I want. Anyways, I'm just going to leave this for now because I'm going to schedule this post, not publish it, so I can come back and add the hashtags later. And then, so this is where you add your content. This is where you add your photo or video. Just click on Add Content. And then you can either add something from your Facebook page or from a file upload. So I'll go to File Upload. And I've got some tips planned out, or some images planned out to go with my tips, rather. All right, so now I've uploaded a nice, appropriately sized square image. The recommended size for Instagram images is 1080 by 1080, so I believe that's what I made this. And there you go. So now I've got my Instagram kind of article, or what does it call it? It calls it the caption with my copy. I've got my hashtags. I've got my asset. And now we're ready to go with this post. So I'm just going to come down here and click on, I could just click on Publish and that would make it live immediately. But instead I'm going to click on this arrow and I'm going to select Schedule. And so it's on today. and it's given me 8:14 a.m. as a potential time to do that. So sure, why not? I can always change that later if I want to, and then I'm going to click on schedule. And now the post is being scheduled. It's just going to take a minute. And now I'll just go to scheduled right here and refresh. Oh, it took me back to Facebook. There we go. So if I go to scheduled, only this one will show up. And it's scheduled for today. It's like midnight right now, so it's scheduled for today at 8:14 a.m. And that's pretty good. All right, so that is how you post to Instagram from a desktop computer or from any kind of computer, be it a laptop, any kind of PC. If you're not on a mobile device and you want to post to Instagram, then that's really the best way to do it. There are some other ways to do it, I think, although I'm not sure if they work anymore. So that's the way that I would recommend. It allows you to schedule posts. It allows you to do IGTV. It allows you to do timeline posts. So you can do pretty much what you need to do there. And let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you'd like more videos like this. I don't do a lot about Facebook and Instagram, but this is something that I needed to figure out recently so I could start posting on Instagram again, and I thought it might be useful to you. All right, take care. Happy New Year.